Hey, today I will be unboxing Hearts2Hearts Focus. I have their 3 photo books and I have the rule book. Let's get started. First we have these pictures of them during their style era. Same thing on the back. Okay, the first thing I want to open is this rule book. There's this blue ribbon tying the box together. Ooh. This is what you see when you first open it. We have a pen. Ooh. Then we dump everything else out. If we open this, it's a mini photo book. It's Ian, Jun, Dew, Yuha, Stella, Yeon, Aina, Carmen, next we have the sticker. That looks like Yeon. And the credits are on the back. The CD is so tiny. Okay, let's see who we got. Can you tell based off the signature? First card we have belongs to Stella and Yeon. And last one goes to Aina. Let's move on to the next one. Let's start with this one. The sticker that I have of Yeon, her outfit matches here. I cannot focus on anything but you. Here's the back. First page, wow. This seems to be a poster. Yep. This is a picture of Carmen. The CD. This sticker is focused, but in this silver gray color. Let's see who these two belong to. This is all of them. This one belongs to two. Yuha, Carmen, and Dew. Here's the next one. Here's the front of this one. They're all just hanging out in a bedroom. I really loved how they styled Aina here. In the back, this time we have a picture of here's the CD cover. Look how pink, so pretty. These look very familiar. Let's see. Have two Ainas now. Last but not least, we have this one. Them in their Tom Brown outfits. Okay, front and back. Okay, this time we have a picture of Dew. This is the CD. This one, ooh,